Hello everyone, I am Heber Joseph, the CIO and CEO at ASK Investment Managers. Today, I'll be taking you through our investment management framework, which is at the core of all portfolio management decisions that we make daily. I think managing investments is like flying a plane. Let me tell you why. When you're flying a plane, it is not enough to know where you want to go. You also need real-time data, continuous feedback, and a dependable system to guide you whether the skies are clear or turbulent. Managing investments works exactly the same way. You can't navigate markets on instinct or guesswork. You need a well-defined system that brings together proprietary research data, discipline, and timely adjustments. For us, the system is our investment management framework. It's what helps us manage our investments with absolute clarity, confidence, and consistency through various market cycles and regimes. Let me help you understand how this framework works. At its core, our framework serves three critical objectives. Firstly, it provides a clear governance structure for managing portfolios across styles with clear guidelines for portfolio managers and disciplined risk management. Secondly, it aligns product positioning with investor needs to meet their financial goals. And thirdly, it facilitates transparent communication with all stakeholders, investors, internal teams, and regulators. In short, this framework aims to achieve good investment outcomes and build long-term wealth for our clients in a disciplined manner. Our framework operates across three key dimensions: macroeconomic parameters, company fundamentals, sentiment, and technical factors. Each of these pillars provides us with critical inputs for making data-driven investment decisions. As you are aware, many macroeconomic parameters impact businesses and markets. At ASK, we track various short-term and long-term indicators such as inflation, interest rates, currency, GDP growth rates, liquidity parameters, etc., and arrive at a top-down view on various asset classes, sectors, market cap segments, and emerging themes. Next comes deep fundamental analysis, which is at the heart of our stock selection process. This includes grading of stocks based on industry structure, governance standards, growth prospects, balance sheet health, profitability, and unmatched moats. Based on published data points, our research team rigorously rates all top 750 companies and arrive at composite scores. These composite scores act as a core input for our portfolio managers while constructing portfolios and also act as a guiding factor for research analysts. Simply put, every stock earns its place in our portfolio only after conducting rigorous research and building conviction. But markets in short term are also driven by capital flows and investor sentiments. That's where sentiment and technical factors help to fine-tune our entry and exit points. To gauge the prevailing sentiment, we track stock liquidity, trading volumes, upward or downward trends in the markets, and stock prices. This layer helps in making timely decisions, adding a tactical lens to our fundamental research process, and at the same time, remaining anchored to our core fundamental views. These three dimensions, macroeconomic indicators, company fundamentals, sentiment, and technical factors, all are integrated into tech-enabled advanced dashboards, providing our investment team with real-time analysis and updates for unbiased decision-making. As we all know that the financial markets are inherently volatile. This is why in such rapidly evolving environment, these dashboards help the investment team to remain agile, enabling them to act swiftly and capitalize on compelling opportunities. Our investment team also engages across multiple platforms or forums to collate macroeconomic, company-specific, sectoral, and sentiment information. Our team regularly conduct site visits, management meetings, sell-side analysts, sector experts, and macro strategists. These collective insights feed directly into the quality grading of stocks, fair value assessments of companies, model portfolio discussions within the team, and ultimately enabling the portfolio construction. In addition to this, we have a detailed portfolio management framework that enables investment universe, portfolio benchmarks, sector and market cap limits, quality grading of stocks, stock weightage assessments, and defined cash levels. Portfolio managers and research team regularly collaborates to discuss investment ideas and dynamically make adjustments to the portfolios while staying within the defined framework. And finally, as markets evolve, our portfolios also must adapt. Our continuous review framework ensures that we keep up market realities through regular assessments of economic and market trends, scrutiny of stock quality grades, monitoring changes in index constituents to remain benchmark aware, and continuous risk management, which enables keeping a tab on liquidity, market volatility, and benchmark deviation risks. This dynamic review mechanism ensures that portfolios remain relevant and resilient. In summary, our investment management framework is not just a process, it is a discipline. A combination of macro insights, deep research, tactical awareness, and rigorous oversight are all designed to ensure that our investment products are sticking to the respective mandates and enable our investors to meet their long-term financial goals. Thank you for your time and happy investing with ASK Investment Managers.